Copper jumps for the third day in a row, up 2% today. Interestingly enough, most of that came in about the last 3 hours. I shouldn't say most of it, but a more significant jump than you would normally get in toward the end of the day happened today in toward the end of the day. Most of the day we were only up about 1% and a little bit more than 1.25%. Most of this on trade optimism. A report has China outlining concessions to the U.S. to end the trade war, and then a later report by the Financial Times had Robert Linkleiter from the U.S. saying to his staff that the next round of tariffs on China have been put on hold. So the trade optimism got even more positive as the day went on, as did copper, China being the largest global consumer of copper as an economy. And then on top of that, Chinese data this morning is actually what had copper up in the beginning of the day, where Chinese housing data came out very strong. Copper being obviously a building material in houses and other buildings, so they thought the demand was going to get even stronger for China, and they bought up the futures earlier this morning after that data came out. So the trade optimism piled on top of the optimism about the Chinese data. And this is all in the face of a slightly stronger dollar. So there's headwinds for copper, as that inverse relationship, all else equal, will always drive copper prices lower as the dollar goes higher. But when you've got these exogenous factors that apply directly toward consumption from China for the base metals, that will win out over the continually stronger dollar.